Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a DIY Q-tip pen. So let's go through of what you need. You need a Q-tip, a pen, preferably a felt tip pen, so you can transfer the ink, and something to do it in. Now, so I was just going through with the things that we need. Now, let's get on with the DIY. When you're making this DIY, what you want to do is you want to grab the Q-tip and take off the lid of the felt tip pen. And then you just want to transfer it onto it by holding it and moving it around, so then the ink gets all over it. This is inefficient. Wait, this is just what I'm doing. You can just hold it. I say do it a lot of times so then you get as much ink as possible onto what you're making. Okay, once that's done, you want to test it. I will test it with you. So then once that's done, let's go test. Guys, so now we have the Q-tip side and the pen side. So let's get on with, you can see it, the Q-tip. Okay, so that's how it works. I'll show you. Oh, good. Sorry about that, guys. And then let's do it again. You can see that it actually does work, and I'm not lying. And on the tip of it. Then if we get the felt tip pen that we used, draw a little smiley face. Put down in the comments below which one you think is more efficient, just the normal pen or the Q-tip pen. Honestly, I think the normal pen, but just in case you're penning, but the pen's slowly running out and you want to keep it going, you do this DIY and then similar, and then you can do another colour on the other end. So that's even better. Put down in the comments below if you would do this, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like on this video. I can't get both my thumbs in. Leave a like on this video. I want to see lots of likes. How about our like goal is, since it's a new channel, 5. Our like goal is going to be 5. Okay, that's all. See ya. Bye.